Alright out there, it's January 26th. I'm fishing a new creek here. This is Blair Gap Run. I'm up at the top of it, up by the reservoir on Old 22 by Hollidaysburg. But we've got a good bit of snow a couple days ago, so the creek's, it's melting. The creeks are real high up by my house. This creek stays relatively low even when it's high because it comes out of a reservoir here. But I haven't fished this in probably 10 years, I know. I'm just not sure why. It gets hit pretty hard during fishing season, so hopefully I catch a couple here. This is a real small creek, so I should have wore waders, but I didn't bring any. Hopefully I get something here. Got a little one. Real little guy there. One there. Oops. Fell off. I don't know if I got that part on video or not. I'm fishing trout magnets again today. This creek is the perfect creek to fish them with because how small it is. It'd be hard to fish a spinner in this creek, but right now I have a chartreuse and orange trout magnet on it. Seems to be what they're wanting, so. That's a good one there. Oh, he got off. I fought him too much there. Son of a gun. That was a good one I had. Oh, just had another one on. Got that one that time. That's a rainbow. Now he don't look very healthy. Well, maybe he is. He's real skinny. Still a nice fish, though. Well, this is why I should have wore waders here. Didn't even think of it. Got a creek the whole way around me here. Can't get any farther downstream, so I'm gonna have to go around. Another real skinny rainbow trout there. I ended up finding this, stumbled across this little 3-point there, if you can see it. Little guy. He must have died here. I can't imagine someone shooting him and just throwing the carcass here. Of course, that's a legal buck in Pennsylvania, but it wasn't killed this year. So. Alright, I just got back from fishing down Blair Gap Run. I was fishing down there for about four and a half hours and caught 3 or 4 fish, but that creek is just surrounded by thorn bushes, jaggers, everything, so it was bad. I walked about 2 miles of the creek, and just the creek's real low and there's no deep holes. I only found 1 or 2 deep holes, and they had fish in them, but you just had to find little poles and cast into them. But I really didn't get too much out of that creek, and I thought I'd do a little better. It's not from what I remembered from years ago when I fished there, but it was still a good time. Once they stock it in the spring, I might go back, see how it was. It's just, if you fish there, you gotta have a pair of waders on. It's just, walking, you gotta jump in the creek some places, or you'll just get jagged up by them jagger bushes. So, but it wasn't a bad time. But until next time, see you later.